welcome back to this video. Hope you are all doing well, and that's me, Orghom Maiti, a nutritionist, fitness trainer and a life coach. So today I have come with another nutritional video, and today I am going to discuss one of our very common food, that is banana. And we usually take banana in our daily diet, but at the same time, but we if we use the banana in the right time, and what type of banana that we should use in our daily diet, and what time and when, so definitely it will help you it will help you to get the utmost benefit from that particular food. So today in this video I am going to tell you how banana you should use in your daily diet at the same time, so then you can get the best health benefit from there. So keep watching this video till the end, and before jumping to the topic, please do subscribe this channel and click the bell icon next to it, so then you will get the notification right after I upload a video. So keep watching. So guys, banana is one of our very regular food that we used to add in our daily diet, and here I am going to tell you how you should add the banana in your daily diet, and what time. And there are many types of banana available in this market, and what type of banana that you should add and when in your diet, as well as for the athletes also I'll tell that when and how and what type of banana they should use for them to get the best benefit out from that particular food. Also for the general persons also I'll tell you that how you should add in your diet banana. So before coming any such conclusions, I'll discuss two parts, that what about the benefits, what benefits in the sense, what about the nutritions present in there in banana, as well as how it will help us. At the same time, what type of banana is available there, and what about the pros and cons of these types. And thereafter I'll come in conclusion, where I'll suggest you guys, being an general person, how you should add banana in your daily diet. At the same time, being an athlete, how you should add banana in your daily diet, and also during the event. Okay, so let's get started with first part. So here I'll tell you the nutritional benefit of banana. So banana is a food which is very much, a good source of carbohydrate. It's basically most of 80% around carbohydrate present in banana, and protein and fat point of view it's very less. Okay, now if I talk about vitamins point of view, vitamins, there you can get vitamin C, vitamin B6, and also from mineral point of view you will get good amount of potassium. So these are the main things, main nutrients that is present in banana, and that plays a very vital role on our health. So how these are the nutrients plays a very vital role on our health, that you also need to know. First of all, due to the presence of potassium, it works on our good heart health, okay, maintaining our blood pressure and all. Also vitamin C, all we know, it's good for our immunity and many other things. Also vitamin B6 also works very well on our health. So altogether banana helps in heart health. Banana helps to reduce, also it's a good amount of fiber is there. So banana also reduce the cholesterol, okay, maintain the cholesterol level mainly, and also it helps to maintain the sugar level in our body. Okay, so these are the respective benefits that we can get from this particular food, banana. Okay, so now the second part is how what type of banana is available in this market, and what about the pros and cons of those types. So first of all, we can get mostly 4 types of bananas in our market. That is number 1 green banana, yellow banana, and spotted banana, and also brown banana. So these four actually it's goes through stage by stage. Okay, so first of all, green banana. Okay, so here green banana, all we know, the green banana, it's not sweeter than yellow banana, as well as it's bit hard than yellow banana. Okay, and therefore we used to cook that type of banana when the banana is in that stage. Okay, so definitely this in from this banana you can get I mean less sugar. Okay, as well as it's also good, it has a good amount of antioxidant. Okay, and many other things are there. So this is the way we can take it by cooking. Okay, we can take this banana by cooking. Okay, number 2 banana is yellow banana. Yellow banana, what it does, yellow banana actually, what is the difference mainly from green banana? Yellow banana actually ripen one, which is more sweeter than green one. Okay, at the same time it's containing with more antioxidant than green one because it's ripen. Okay, how it's ripen? When that starch is present there in banana, it's transformed into sugar. Okay, bit of. Now the third one is spotted banana. So how spotted banana works, I mean what about the what is the pros and cons are there? So the spotted banana actually it's more sweeter than yellow banana. Okay, because it's ripened more than yellow banana, so therefore it's more sweeter. Okay, at the same time it's containing with more antioxidants. Okay, so these are the nutrients is present, I mean nutrients is obviously same. Actually these are the changes that we can get in this banana from yellow banana and green banana. Okay, now brown banana. So how what about brown banana? So brown banana, it's I mean utmost ripened banana. Okay, I mean it brown banana is ripened very much. At the same time therefore it's containing with the high amount of sugar. Okay, and also its glycemic index is very high. Okay, so also antioxidant, it's carrying a more antioxidant because it's ripened than spotted banana. So definitely it's mainly it's high in sugar. Okay, I mean very high in sugar. Okay, so these are the 4 characters and 4 types of bananas. Okay, so these are the 4 characters of 4 types of bananas. So now I have to come in conclusion that what type of banana that you should add in your diet and when. Okay, that I am going to tell you. So here first of all, when if I talk about for general persons, so general persons actually, as you got to know from just I have mentioned to you that green banana is basically less sweeter. Okay, less sweeter, even very less sweeter actually than yellow banana because it's not ripened. Okay, that time. So green banana, it's very much useful for everyone as a general person. Okay, and even athletes also. And how you can take it? You can take it by cooking. Okay, and that is very much useful for your health. So now if I talk about yellow banana and others bananas, okay, and the rest of the bananas. So in this context, for the general person, I would like to suggest that yellow banana is useful for not yellow banana, actually any kind of banana. I am talking about out of green banana, I am talking about rest of the bananas. Okay, so these are the all bananas is very much useful for everyone. Those don't have uh, any specific disease and all. Okay, for general persons I am talking about. So in this context, for being a general person, you can take any types of bananas. Okay, but at the same time, if you are suffering with sugar, if you are suffering with diabetes, okay, diabetics, and if you mainly diabetics actually, if you're suffering with diabetics, so that time definitely you must consult with your doctor. And at the same time, uh, being a nutritionist, I can suggest you that at those are suffering in diabetes, they must take at least that yellow banana. They should not exceed their craving towards spotted banana and brown banana. Those are ripen more than yellow banana, okay, because it's containing a high level of sugar. At the same time, its glycemic index is very high, so when you intake, it will very much, useful to spike your sugar level. Okay, so that time you have so therefore you should avoid these types of bananas. Okay, but you can consider at least yellow banana. Okay, but before, what about the level that you are suffering? I don't know, type 1 diabetes, type 2 diabetes. So you must consult with your doctor before adding this in your daily diet. Okay, being a diabetes patient. Now for general persons, as I have just mentioned, that you can take any type of bananas, there is no issue at all. But from as a nutritionist, I can suggest you must alter those three bananas. I mean that yellow banana, spotted banana, or brown banana. From these three bananas, you can alter these are the bananas in your daily diet. You should not take any particular types of banana in a regular basis, and basically you should not intake that more ripened one, I mean spotted banana and brown banana in your daily diet. Okay, you can take, but the thing is you should alter these three. Okay, one day you are taking yellow banana, one day you are taking a spotted banana, one day you are taking brown banana. You can alter this, but should not continue with any specific banana on your everyday diet. Okay, because it has a good glycemic index, and being a general person, if you are not doing much physical activity, I mean you are not an athletic person, so definitely you are not doing that kind of physical activity which will help you to burn your extra, I mean additional calories. Okay, so that can cost you in different way. Okay, so you should be aware with this. Okay, so now uh, how athletes should add these bananas in their regular diet. So being an athlete, as I have just mentioned, okay, for athletes, as I have just mentioned, uh, uh, that you got to know that yellow banana, spotted banana, and also brown banana. These are the bananas goes through stage by stage when it gets more ripened. Okay, so this way it goes stage by stage, and at the same time much it's ripened, it containing with much sugar, at the same time high glycemic index, at the same time more antioxidants. So by keeping this thought in your mind, you should use, being a nutritionist, I can suggest you, when you can add this banana in your pre-workout meal. Now which banana you need to add? You can add in your pre-workout meal that yellow banana. Okay, yellow banana you can add in your pre-workout meal. Okay, at the same time, during the event or during the exercise you are performing, that time if you need to get a banana, you should choose that more ripened one, I mean spotted banana or brown banana, because it instantly gives you a good amount of energy by because it's high in glycemic index. Okay, now even after your workout or after the event, when you have to choose your post workout meal, and that time you can add that brown banana or spotted banana in your meal, not that yellow banana, because that time you have already I mean lost, or you have already lost your calories, I mean good amount of calories, due to performing in the event. At the same time, if you are doing practice, if you are exercising, by doing all of this you are burning your calories. So therefore after you finish your event, your body needs a good amount of calorie, those already it has lost to perform those respective events. Okay, so that time definitely you must take something, as we being an athlete, you know, also being that time you should need I mean good amount of carbohydrate, okay, proteins, and also moderate in fat. So definitely to get the carbohydrate amount, you should add, you can add banana, that ripened one, brown one, or spotted one, okay, in your diet, so then you can get the best benefit from there. Okay, so that's all for athletes. So again I am reviewing this. For athletes, in pre-workout you should go with the yellow banana. During the event you should, and during the event and post-workout uh, you should go with spotted banana or brown banana. Okay, so and also I will give you additional idea that sometimes we don't get our post workout meal on time, or we cannot arrange for the time. So for your kind information, if you are getting such situation, so that time you can take two ripened bananas, I mean that spotted one or brown one, to fill your calorie intake. Okay, for instant basic, which you have to take right after your event within a half an hour. Okay, so I think this will help you the additional knowledge, and I think I made myself clear to you. Now you are very much clear with the concept of how you should add banana in your daily diet, being a general person as well as being an athlete. Okay, so that's all for now. Hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please do subscribe this channel and click the bell icon next to it. Also hit the like button, okay, and share with others. Please do subscribe. Anyway, so that's all for now. On this note, stand in fear with confidence. Goodbye and take care. See you on the next video.